First cutscene.
Mr. Sonic Juice has arrived.
I see. See him?
Okay.
Damon, you come with me.
Me? Why?
Just fucking come!
Fu, everyone so far has died.
Battle is about deciding the winners and the losers. It's about the rules.
I get that. I guess humans are pretty tough after all.
Yeah, they're not weak, I'll give them that.
So how are things now?
Huh. This guy is really something. The assassin called Travis.
Just give me the word, and I'll go kill him straight away.
Yeah.
This
I
thing
don't
is
really see you getting taken
pretty
down
big,
by this guy.
terrifying.
What's he thinking?
I just want you to kill him.
I get what you mean.
It reminds me of a character from Adventure Time. I don't remember its name though. It was like two-dimensional on a wall.
Ah, the Big Four have gathered. Or to put it a different way, only the Big Four survive.
I'll wait patiently. Could this human even make it all the way to me?
I'm not worried. Sniping Lee here will put this Earthling down.
That's what everyone says before they get killed. You're probably gonna die too.
Prince Fu, can I kill this guy? Take him out with a headshot.
Wait. Damon. Those are some pretty big words there, huh?
It's the truth, Fu. I just want that guy killed. Want to see him torn to shreds.
Damon, this game of conquest isn't for you. It's for me! Keep your opinions to yourself.
Yes.
Fine. I'll kill him my own way.
Don't you fucking get in mine.
Hurry up and take this guy out so I don't get in your way, Big Four.
Prince Fu, can I kill this guy, please? I really hate this Earthling.
This is stupid. I'm gonna take a nap and wait.
Don't get killed in your sleep.
I'll take your head first.
Stefano Young is sniping Lee. Ranking 4, here we go.
Hey, what are you guys watching? Watch. You'll see. This movie is hella famous. Also, who the hell are you? This is my buddy, Kamui.
Oh, Kamui's here.
Nice to meet you. I'm Bishop. I'm kinda stuck with this asshole. Nice to meet you too. Hey, didn't you guys meet in TSA?
Well, it's my first appearance in the numbered series, and I'm the main character of a different game, so I'm fine with the first encounter thing.
You're so humble, Kamui. Oh shit, this scene is awesome.
Really? These guys are kind of creepy.
Man, Kakihara is so cool. For reals, Kakihara is the shit. Asano is kicking ass too. He's totally losing his shit.
Actually, I don't really care for Japanese movies.
Even though you're Japanese?
Yeah, but still, I
Wow.
just don't like them much. I guess I kind of like the serialized dramas a bit more.
Okay then, how about the Girls X Heroine series?
What's that?
I recommend Majimajo. Can't go wrong with Majimajo. It even beats Bizarre Jelly.
No, I mean like Aibo, Tokyo Detective Duo and stuff.
Aibo? You mean the Aibo where me came in season 10, episode 16? You've got good taste. I only have season 10, episode 16. But let's watch it together, you guys. Want something to drink?
Okay, I'll take a mango cola.
Nice. I'll have one too.
I want a mango cola. That sounds good. I don't like cola, but I like mango. So. New shirt, 2 t-shirt, cool. We're not even gonna bother looking at the shirt because let's be honest, we're sticking with this. Wait, it looks like Jean there, but that's not Jean there, is it? Because Jean's down here. Why is there another cat?
Gene.
Okay. Slide on down. Before we go out, let's check. Did we get any notable amount of WSN? Yeah, we have over 5,000. This is 3,500. This, we can't afford that one. That's 5,000 on the dot. 9,000, that's 10,000. Let's do our power. There we go.
Hey.
Okay, and oops, I don't want to quit. I want to click create. See if there's any good chips to make. That we couldn't make before. I mean, a second. Alright, I have alerts on my phone right now because I'm still trying to get Metroid Dread Special Edition, and it just went up somewhere today that I couldn't get it from, so I'm waiting to see if it goes up on Best Buy or Amazon. Wait. I need to put in the 80 chip. I have to walk away and approach again. There we go. Right to the bottom. 80 chip. There we go. Let's check on our friend Shinobu. Master, I'll kill him. Please let me kill him. Still fighting in your dreams. If you're gonna kill someone, you gotta go full on. A tag team version of the infamously STO move. Back when New Japan was at its peak, Hashimoto and Ogawa simply owned it. The one tag team surpassing the fabulous Freebirds has got to be Hashimoto and Ogawa. Okay, well let's really quickly check on our other friend, Bad Girl. Come on. Like at this point, it's just tradition to check on both of them. No matter how much of a rush we're in. It should be quick to load into here. It's loading out, that'll be quick. That'll be longer because they have to load the city. Oh man, I'm getting thirsty. I really want a beer right about now. Charlotte, you're back to normal again. Where is he? Nice, rage is fuel for battle. Take me to him now, I'm gonna kill him. Not yet, watch this. Birkin was a huge fan himself. Is it Tamino again? Nope, it's the legendary Perth Canada collection. Perth Canada? Just shut up and watch. This shit is gonna blow your mind. Seriously badass. For reals? Well, if I can sense my daddy's thoughts, then... Well, I guess she's doing a little better. Like, not great, but that might be about as good as she's gonna get for a while, if ever. Like, Bad Girl probably is long past the point of needing therapy. Even before losing her dad. So. Okay, let's see here. Oh, no, 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 no. I've been playing Tales of Arise, and the map is Y there, and it's boost here. Okay, well, I might as well first zip down there. Okay, come on. No, I passed it. I passed it. Okay, what's A's get off? First, the first battle's gonna suck because I'm gonna not remember how to do anything. You. How much for the shirt? 3,000. That's not much. Yeah, give it to me. Okay, and then let's is there anything over here? Just a shirt. I don't really want to warp there just for a shirt. I don't really want to warp there just for a couple shirts. Oh, it's gonna be in Call of Battle again is where we're going. Where was Neo Brazil? Is there anything? No, just a shirt. Yep, okay. Call of Battle it is. Let's get right into it.
So easy.
Okay. Come on. Oops. Go there. I probably shouldn't have ridden my bike down here because it's gonna be a pain to get out, but what's yours? Have I acquired enough Utopia? Yeah, I have. Give me that shirt. Okay, and then let's go that way and go the first designated fight. Dang it. Where is this way? Gosh. That way. Go that way? No. This all looks like I should be able to just jump over it, but there's walls. Oh man, it's lighting's really hard to see right now. I see it. I see it. It's right over here. Designated match.
Here we go.
Screw Crusher Death Kick! Anti-gravity Death Force! Death Belt Shower! Spin Death Slow! Right on! Blueberry Triple Kick! Cranberry Super
Ow. Get up, get up. No, no.
Anti-gravity Death Force!
Doing good on health. God, that guy keeps slapping me in the back.
Death Belt Shower!
Ah. There we go. Trying to do that.
Strawberry! Right on! And cheese! Double kill! Get some! Anti-gravity Death Force!
No! I didn't know there was another guy alive. I was trying to switch to food. Why does switching to your food have to be on the left Joy-Con where my control stick is? He can't really move and...
Alright, one more time!
Switched it. Ah. Oh no, I guess it could be worse. But still. Okay. That was a warm-up fight.
Let's go! Screw Crusher Death Kick! Death Belt Shower! Spin Death Throw! Strawberry! Raspberry! Double kill! Blueberry! Triple kill! Bear! Cranberry! Super kill! Screw Crusher Death Kick!
Come on. Come on. No, 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 no.
Blackberry! Anti-gravity Death Force! Strawberry! Gooseberry! Death Belt Shower! Fever! Sweet! Screw Crusher Death Kick!
Okay. There. Now, is there another guy? Or is the big guy the last one? Looks like the big guy's the last one. Where is the big guy? There he is.
Anti-gravity Death Force! Screw Crusher Death Kick! Spin Death Throw! Right on!
There we go. Not the flashiest win, but we'll take it. Okay. Got one down, next watch. Oops. Let's go for this one, because it might be not down on the beach. Maybe. I don't know, they had to put them really off awkward spots, the circles. Well, those trees already. Here's one. Time for designated match number 2.
Get ready. Screw
Dang it.
crusher death kick. Spin death slow.
Of course they're missing.
Strawberry. Right on. Raspberry. Double. Cranberry. Boysenberry. First blood. Black. Fantastic. Mulberry. Screw crusher death kick. Gooseberry. Anti-gravity death force. Your power's getting iffy. Fever!
Okay, that didn't go well.
I see the stars. Don't let me down, dude.
The golden never sleeps.
Okay. Let's go in with a little more power.
Here we go. Bloodberry. Screw crusher death
God,
kick.
stop it.
Spin death throw. Death melt shower. Strawberry. Right on. Blueberry. Triple kill. Boysenberry. First blood. Blackberry. Screw crusher death kick. Mulberry.
Okay, flip him over.
Gooseberry. Anti-gravity death force.
Flip him over.
Fever.
Okay, let's finish this guy. Ooh, 777. Full green.
Sweet.
That's not what it said. Did it?
Fuckhead.
Full metal.
Fuckhead. Eat this. Fuckhead. Here we go.
There we go. 2 designated matches down. 3 to go. Okay. Now let's... I can't get down to the beach, right? Yeah, there's a big gate there. Okay, in that case... Take it out to my bike. This way. Here we go. Where's bike? There's bike. I just noticed this t-shirt alien has another shirt, so I kind of want to just first go over here again. And... you. We're 40,000. Yep. Man, there's a lot of shirts in this game. Okay, somewhere around here. There it is. My radar's going off. Oh. Interesting, the tree spot here. Also radar's going off over here. There's a tree spot over here. Interesting. And see one over here. Okay. Let's jump into designated battle number 3. Or match. I always call them designated battles. The designated matches. Same thing. Okay, so what do we got?
I'm gonna go full on.
Oh, 3 guys.
Screw Crusher Death Kick! Anti-gravity Death Force! Spin Death Slow! Death Melt Shower! Strawberry! Right on! Raspberry! Double triple kill! Blackberry! Mulberry! Revenge! Screw Crusher Death Kick!
Guys and their balls. Explosion.
Anti-gravity Death Force!
Great. Let me... Ah, frick. God, look, this one's gonna be really annoying because there's 3 of these things and they're gonna be making death balls everywhere.
All right, one more time.
Party time.
Thank you, Sylvia.
Here we go. Screw Crusher Death Kick! Strawberry. Right on. Raspberry. Double kill. Blueberry. Cranberry. Super kill. Poison berry.
Ooh! That's what I want, Mustang mode. Yeah.
Blackberry. Never stood a chance. Mulberry.
Nice. Mustang mode took out 2 of them.
Screw Crusher Death Kick! Anti-gravity Death Force!
Way over here, away from the balls. Ah,
Strawberry!
there we go.
I'm gonna crush you!
Yeah, well, much better though. Mustang mode really helped. Okay, 2 more, and then it's already gonna be ready for the next rank battle. Oh, something's going off on the radar. Oh, it's the trees, aren't they? Yeah. They already grew while I was doing that one fight. There wasn't more tree spots this way, was there? There is. I should have planted them before. Oh well. I wonder if there's another over here. No, it was just that one I missed. Okay. And then there's the tree over here that's grown. And then I'm afraid to go up the road, there might be another. There's something. Come on. We'll go over to match over there, but there is a t-shirt alien over this way. Oh, that one's for the figures. I think I have enough for the first shirt from this guy. Cool. Wrong button again.
Ouch.
5 types of figures. I believe I've got 5. Yep. And the radar's going off.
Gene, I hear kittens.
It's a kitten.
Come on!
Okay, got a cat.
Oh yeah!
I always forget about the kitten subquest. Okay. Let's get this designated match out of the way.
Get ready! Screw Crusher Death Kick!
Oops, I have some good dodge for that. I want to hit this tough enemy with this. Oh, that's what this is. I could do it.
It's showtime! Get some! Strawberry! Right on! There's raspberry! Double death force! Screw Crusher Death Kick!
Oh, so there's a different color 7. Does that reduce the odds though? So now there's a looking in the slot, or can I get a mix of each color?
Blackberry! Fantastic!
Okay, easy. B rank. And now one more designated match. How many many figures do I have? Because it does not say there. It's not there. I just don't know if it's worth going to that t-shirt alley, and if I don't think it tells me. What was the 45,000? Do we have enough money? We do have enough money. Up one of these. Destroy one of the glowing statues. Up. That was... Oh. I need to come down here. There's a trading card. Climb the tree. And designated match number 5. Up, space one. Question is, what are we fighting?
Change! Bougainvillea! Got any weak points?
That's what thing. Space Peacock. This terrible bird enwraps all. This monster seeker, spread out fully, his wingspan is big enough to envelope the Earth. If he wraps us up and fires his beam, this whole planet is toast. He absolutely must be defeated. He's sure to reveal his weak spot. Watch him carefully. Something's got to be hiding in those colorful chest and wing cores. I'm gonna bust out my full-on Bougainvillea powers and take him down. And it says, check out that bitchin' do. Okay. Midori's section was wild. Yeah, Midori's just something. You're stuck in this one for a while? The Space Peacock, you mean? Okay, I'm running into the box. This is bad. Yeah, oh, no, that doesn't bode well. Oh, it's blue in the center, so I'm gonna shoot the blues. No. Up it's I already figured it out. Oh, what can I say? I saw color, I was like, color must be relevant. I'm still getting my die on these stupid lights. Purple, okay.
Raspberry, double kill.
Okay,
Triple kill.
turquoise.
Raspberry.
Red, okay.
Boysenberry. First blood. Blackberry. Fantastic.
No. And the yellow. Oh god. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. And this is only just starting. Yep, I know. Okay, well now I know to be super careful with the lights.
Don't let me down, dude.
Dang it, I got Fu. Oh, young Fu.
The time has come. Got any weak points?
Starting with yellow this time. To be fair, Dragon, when you said that it took you a while to figure it out, that did tip me off that there's a trick. And so I immediately started trying to puzzle solve rather than just blast.
Raspberry, double kill. Blueberry, triple
I need a
kill.
boost.
Cranberry, super kill.
Really boost more needlessly.
Poisonberry, first blood.
It's not the one I want to lock onto. I want to lock onto red.
Blackberry, fantastic.
My god, it's just slidey.
Mulberry, ribbon. Gooseberry, bastard.
Okay. First phase done, but I'm not great on health. What attack killed me last time?
Fever,
Garbage. Nope, nope, nope. I don't want to be over here. Yeah, I need that. Turn, turn. There we go.
fuckhead, special.
This fight is actually kind of challenging, unlike the previous two phase things. No, 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 I moved right into that and died. It was so close.
All right, one more time.
Again, Baby Fu gets me no
Change.
bonus.
Bougainvillea.
Okay,
I'm sending you to the monster
Cyan.
graveyard.
that's the color I've been thinking for. Trying to think of. Cyan. Time to send it to the monster graveyard.
Strawberry. Right on.
Red.
Raspberry. Double kill.
Purple, okay. What is that over? No, it was purple. It's kind of pink.
Blueberry. Triple kill.
Oh, frick. Laser.
Super kill.
I want to shoot the yellow. Okay, it sucks you in. Jeez. Blue.
Boysenberry! First blood!
Stop just moving and actually, like, move fast. Yellow, okay. Oh god. Like this. There we go. Okay, about half health. And we're at the halfway point.
Gooseberry! Back!
Oh, wow, that was bad. That was bad. That was a bad choice. Can I go over or under these? No, 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 no. What am I doing? Yeah, Dragon, if it makes you feel any better, even though I figured it out right away, I still haven't beaten it, and this is... I'm going into my 4th try.
Don't let me down, dude.
And I just keep landing on Baby Fu. Stop it.
The time has come!
Okay, yellow.
Got any weak points?
Right on.
Purple.
Raspberry! Double kill!
Dang it, she's light.
Blueberry! Triple kill!
Oh god, I'm blind. The sun just decided to come out.
Boysenberry! First blood! Blackberry! Fantastic! Mulberry! Revenge! Gooseberry!
There we go. Okay. Phase 2.
Death is part of life.
Okay.
Fuckhead! Death is part of
That
life.
again. Wow. Which way they...
Fuckhead! Special kill!
There we go, finally. Jeez.
Down, pesky ass mosquito! Okay, time to say goodnight.
A rank. There we go. Okay. There. Something. Oh, Moe head. Okay, grab this tree.
Gene, I hear kittens.
Plus, apparently there's a cat nearby. Huh? Got kitten.
Nice.
And I see a scorpion over here. Hopefully it doesn't see me. Come on. No, turn around. Turn around. There we go. Tropical scorpion. No, don't put my bike up there. Before I leave Call of Battle, I want to check the t-shirt. Alien one more time. Just because we're already here. And that'll take less time than loading back and forth all the time. Where am I? I'll turn around. It's over here. You're playing Pac-Man 99? Oh. Hope you had fun with that sound. Chaos City's next. You don't play that game? Yeah, I haven't played it for a while. Surprisingly easily sniping into shells Pac-Man 99 games. Nice. Okay, grab that shirt. And I don't want to go to the... Actually, yeah, I'll go to the ATM now. Sure. ATM. Excuse me.
Ooh, that's steep, man.
More Tetris player than Pac-Man. Terry, you got 2 seconds and then sucked. What do you mean you got 2 seconds and then sucked? Either way, yeah. I probably like Tetris more than Pac-Man, but I like Tetris 99 less than Pac-Man 99 because I don't really like my Tetris games to be interrupted, is the thing.
On this planet, they say if you eat this before a showdown, it'll help you to win.
How nice, Prince Fu. You do this for me? So happy.
Go on, eat up.
Son.
So delicious. So delicious, Prince Fu. I'm gonna win. I'll eat this tonkatsu and win. Prince Fu,
Katsu.
you're
Sounds
not
good.
gonna eat it?
I'll just have a bite.
We'll just have a bite, huh?
Delicious.
Yeah, so delicious. So yummy.
Super yummy. Thank you so much.
That was good.
I have so much energy. Now, I'll go win!
Go, Lee.
Oh, you almost got second place. Is that, yeah, it's sniping, yeah, that's Sniping Lee. Yeah. You just did Sniping Lee last night? Dragon, I thought you were rank... What did you say you were? I thought you said you were rank 2. Let's... Actually, no. Not out yet. Let's go out... Or not down to the lab yet. Let's go deliver... We have at least one trading card, at least one scorpion. Let's drop this stuff off. Really like this next boss. I hate the area it's in. Well, I'll see what you mean. I got Mal.
And we're off.
Sniping Lee, yeah. Buffalo 51. Yeah, full green mode. Blah blah blah. Okay. Call of Duty. I don't know. I don't love the name Sniping Lee. It makes me very much assume that he's probably a sniper, and I don't really like dealing with sniper characters, but then again, I do like probably my favorite character in the series so far has been Margaret Moonlight, and she has a sniper, so. Granted, the only reason I enjoyed that fight was because the music was really great. Snipe a bit in Splatoon. I mean, it's annoying when the opponent's sniping you. That's all I'll say. Like, I don't mind having a sniper on my team, but when I'm being sniped, I don't enjoy it. He's super hard. Oh no. I've yet to find any of the bosses hard, so that's worrisome. Oh, that's where the gotcha is. Okay, jump down to the laboratory.